The 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, keyless entry, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, driver lumbar, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.